Good afternoon, children. We already learned the factors of the numbers, common factors of the numbers, factorization of the numbers, isn't it? Then next we can study the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. You know how is finding the common factors, isn't it? Factors you know, common factors you know, and factorization also you know. And next is highest common factor. Highest common factor, that is HCF. And this HCF or highest common factor is also known as greatest common divisor. That is also known as greatest common divisor. This HCF means that is finding out highest common factor of two or more given numbers, that is highest of their common factors. Which one is the highest of their common factors? That is the HCF of that factors. HCF of two or more given numbers means what is the highest common factor in that? Which one is the highest common factor in that? That is the HCF of that numbers. We can find out that, children. Look here. Find the HCF of 20, 28, 36. Find the HCF of or highest common factor of 20, 28, 36. Look here. 20, 28, 36. Then we want to find out the factors. What are the factors of the 20, 28, 36 and which one is the highest common factor? Highest common factor. So we have to find out the factors in different ways. Okay, in separately we can do it. Yes, first one 20. Yes, 20. Then factors we can take it first. You can take the smallest factor. You can take it. Yes, that you can take it 2. 2 how many times that 2 goes in 20? That is 10 times. And again you can take it 2. 2 that is going in 5 times. And in 5, 2 is not going, 3 is not going. So we can take it 5. Okay, 5. How many times that 5 goes in? 1 time. Okay. So these 2 to 5 are the factors of 20. 2 to 5 are the factors. Then next to 28. 28. Yes, 2. That 2 going 14 times. And again 2 that is going 7 times. In that 7 that is a prime number, not other factors. So we can take it 7. Okay. That is 1. Then we can take next 36. 36. In 36 we can take it small number, that is 2. And 2 18 times that goes in 36. And that 2 again goes in 9 times. And in 9 the 2 is not going. So we can take it 3. 3 times. And 3 1 time. These are the factors. And we can write it 20. The factors of 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. And next 28. 2 into 2 into 7 into 1. Next 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. These are the factors. From these factors, we want to find out which one is the common factor or which are the common factors in these 3 numbers. Which are the, that you have to find out from this, which are the common factors in these 3 numbers. Which are the common factors? 2 is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. These 2 is the common factor. So we can take it as 1, 2. And next one more 2 commonly coming in these 3 numbers. That is also we can take it as 1, 2. And look here, 5 is not coming here and here. And next so we are not at all bothered about these numbers because only 5 and 1 is here. And if we take the highest common factor, which one is the commonly coming in that these 3 numbers, that you have to take it. So 2 and 2 is commonly coming in these 3 numbers. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. That is the HCF of 20, 28, 36. Did you understand? Yes, I was taking 20, 28, 36. Then you have to separately find out the factors 20, 28, 36. And first you want to take the small number as a factor. 2 you can take it, and if that 2 is not going, then next you can choose it 3, and 3 is not going, then next number 5. Here see here 2, 20, that is an even number, so that 2 is going to 10 times, again 2, 5 times 5, and here also 2, 2, 7, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, got it, and find out which one is the common, which are the common factors. So times 2 is coming, then you can take it as common factor. Okay. Then what is the highest common factor of 20, 28, 36? That is 4. Okay. Then next one. One more we can find out. That is 15, 25, 30. 15. Find the HCF of 15, 25, 30. 15, 25, 30. And look here. First you can find out 15. 15. Yes, 2 is not going in 15, isn't it? 2 is not going, so we can take it next number 3. 3, how many times 3 goes in 15? 5 times, isn't it? 5. And next 3 is not going, 5 is we can take it 1 time, isn't it? Then 15, okay. Then next one 25. 25. Then 2 is not going. 25, that is an odd number, isn't it? 3 is also not going, and 4 not going, 5. 5 5s are 25. Then again 5, 1 time. Okay. The next one 30. In that 30, 2 is going, that is 15. And in that 15, 2 is not going. Next we can take it 3. 3 how many times? That is 5 times. And we can take it 5, 1 time. So we can write it. What are the factors of this? 3. 15 is equal to 3, 5, 1. And 25, that is 5, 5, 1. And 30, 2, 3, 5. These are the factors. From these factors, you can find out which are the common factors. Look here, 3 is in 15, 3 is the factor, but in 25 there is no 3, so we can leave it. And 5 we can take it 5 here, 5 is, and here also coming 5, and here also 5. So we can take it 1, 5, and 1 here. No other factors in 15, so we can leave it. Okay. Then what is the HCF of 15, 25, 30? That is 5. HCF of 15, 25, 30. And you have a doubt in that one more 5 is here. One more 5 is here, but here only 1 5. And in 30 also 1 5. If 2 5s in these three numbers, then we can take it one more 5. But here only 2 5. Here and here only 1 5. So the HCF of 15, 25, 30, that is 5. Okay, children? Yes. Then this way, all of you practice this, find out the HCF. Then you can practice this exercise 3.6. Okay, that you have to practice it. And in that one question, what is the HCF of 2 consecutive numbers? Second one. Yes, look here. What is the HCF of 2 consecutive numbers? 2 consecutive numbers, we can take it as 5 and 6. Continuous number 5 and 6. What is the HCF of this 5 and 6? What is the HCF of 5 and 6? Look here, 5 and 6. 5, 1, 5, 1, isn't it? Then 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. Yes. 5, 5 and 1, 6, 2, 3, 1. Which is the common factor here? 1 is the common factor, isn't it? 1 is the common factor. So answer, what is the HCF of consecutive numbers? What is the question is? What is the HCF of consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers. We can take these consecutive numbers as 5 and 6. If we take 5 and 6, what is the HCF of that? 1. 1 is the HCF. And next question, what is the HCF of the two consecutive even numbers? Next is even numbers, consecutive even numbers. Even numbers we can take, tell me 4 and 6, isn't it? 4, 6. 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1. Yes, 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 1. 6 is equal to 2 into 3 into 1. Which are the common factors, children? Look here, this 2 is the common factor and 2 not here, 1 here. Yes, 2 and this 4 and 6. The consecutive, what is the HCF of consecutive even numbers? Even numbers answer 2. Even numbers, that is 2. And one more question in that, what is the HCF of the two consecutive odd numbers? Odd numbers. What is the HCF of consecutive odd numbers? That we can take it as 5, 7. 5 and 7 is the odd numbers, isn't it? 5, 5, 1, 7, 7, 1. Yes. What is the HCF of two consecutive odd numbers? That is 1, isn't it? 1 is the common number. So, 1 is the answer. Okay. The next one you can do it. Yes. HCF of prime numbers. Look here. HCF of the prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. And 4 is 2 into 15, 3 into 5. Then there is no common prime factor. HCF of 4 and 15 is 0 is the answer. Yes, 4 and 15 children. What is the HCF of 4 and 15? Look here, 4 means 2 into 2, 1. Then 3, 5, 5, 1. Then 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 1. 15 is equal to 3 into 5 into 1. Which one is the common factor here? Yes, common factor is here 1. Then question is page number 64. In that HCF of prime numbers 4 and 15 already given the. Then in that since there is no common prime factor. Then so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0 is the answer correct. If not, what is the correct HCF? What is the correct HCF of 4 and 15? The correct HCF of 4 and 15 is 1. Okay. Then you have to practice it 3.6 find the HCF. Okay children, bye.